Hi there everybody, this is Lee from KingHarvest and KingHarvest.org. I wanted to take a moment here with Bridget to ask and answer a couple of questions about Parkinson's disease, how cannabis oil can affect it, its symptoms, and whether or not it may be useful for you. Also, how to obtain the medicine itself. So let's go ahead and ask a couple questions.
Sure. So the first question is there evidence that cannabis stops the progression of Parkinson's disease, or is it just something that manages the symptoms?
So, cannabis oil comes in a few different forms. We've all heard of THC as being sedative, or the part that gets you high. CBD is what everyone's talking about, or cannabidiol right now, as being so powerful for inflammation, for cancer, and for degenerative neurological conditions like ALS and Parkinson's, MS, and things like that. So CBD seeks to repair the body around its original damage points, whereas THC will seek to improve the symptoms. THC makes you feel better, CBD will get you better.
Great. So how does cannabis work to fight the tremors?
So tremors are both neurological, and they're also about tension, about system-wide electrolytic malfunction. So if we slow down the system and we improve the system's ability to talk and to relate to itself, right? Cellular electromuscular conductivity, the transfer of information from one cell to the next, is very important. It's the core part of what starts to get mixed up in these degenerative neurological problems. So the THC will slow the tremors and give you the relief, while the CBD will help your body remap around the organic damage and cause you to have permanent relief. Again, CBD will fix you, THC will help you to feel better.
Okay, so would cannabis oil contradict with any other medications that someone would be taking for Parkinson's?
No. Cannabis oils are not known to contraindicate with any Western pharmacology. They will not cause any respiratory suppression, neurological suppression. They are safe, they're not habit-forming, they don't cause physical dependency. KingHarvest medicines are non-toxic, they're organic, and they will actually seek to repair you permanently rather than just dealing with the symptoms. It's an easy win to say that we can improve any patient's symptoms and their overall quality of life, but in many, many cases you can reverse the degenerative onset altogether and even restore the person to being a younger version of themselves. And that's what we want to help try to do for you.
Okay, so how does the entourage effect work in Parkinson's?
Every disorder type has its own version of the entourage effect that we're starting to see. So in neurology, as I said, the THC will start to slow down the frequency of the misinformation, right? While the CBD builds new electrolytic conductive pathways for you to, and for your system to talk to itself properly again. So we get off the degenerative, stressed out, anxious cycle. We get onto a progressive, positive, progenerative cycle where you see your body repairing and getting better every day rather than falling apart slowly and surely.
Okay, so how do I get these medicines?
All you need to do to ask and answer any questions or obtain our medicines is to contact us at KingHarvest.org. That's www.KingHarvest.org. You can also call us at 877-469-4584. Any of our caregivers on our switchboard will be happy to answer your questions without obligation, right, without cost, and to see if cannabis oil medicines might be appropriate for you, to see if it might be something that you're interested in. So again, that's KingHarvest.org. Call us at 877-469-4584. My name is Lee. This is Bridget. Happy healing.
Happy healing.
Hi everyone, this is Lee from KingHarvest and KingHarvest.org. I wanted to take a moment and thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe or click on one of the videos to your right. Further, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. You can also visit us at KingHarvest.org. Thank you again and happy healing.